Yeah, punta kami guys sa Christmas parade or Christmas pageant dito sa town.
It's stopping at the minute.
Yes.
It's the timer.
No, Target.
Target.
So yeah, so doon kami ngayon guys. So kasi every year ginagawa namin to. So doon na lang tayo ulit. Mag-vlog ako siguro doon. So tingnan natin. So doon na lang tayo magkita ulit guys. Say see ya guys.
See ya.
Baba.
Bye-bye.
Put your shades. Show them your shades. Hurry up. So yan guys, punta tayo dun sa Christmas parade dito sa aming munting town. So sige, mag-drive na muna ako guys. Say see ya.
See ya. See ya.
Baba, hurry up.
Discussing my shoe.
Guys, ayan, nagkakagulo na yung mga bata. Holly, Zach! Here now. It's starting now. Get the bubbles. Yeah, lots of bubbles. Good girl. Yeah? Where's the bubbles? Ayun yung dalawa. Oh, mommy! Wow! Wow! No bubbles! So habang hindi pa nag-start yung yung parade, ayan, naglalaro muna sila and then nag-drawing dito sa kalsada. Kanina may dumaan na yung parang banda-banda. Yun ang kanina. Tapos na-stop ulit. So kaya ayan, naglalaro ulit sila. Ayan na. Eh si Holly, patakbo-takbo lang siya doon. Wow! Give it to Ivy. Give it to Ivy. There, thank you. Baba ah. No, thank you.
Did you do some cutting? You're coloring Santa?
What are you doing, Baba? Drawing? Yeah. Okay, draw. Good girl. Guys, hindi pa yung nag-start yung yung parade. Mag-start yung parade mga 11. So maaga kami dito. 10 o'clock nandito kami para makakuha kami ng place na kung saan kami makakaupo. And then pumunta ako sa subway para kumuha ng tubig. Pero hindi lang tubig na bili ko. Kundi eto kasi pagpasok ko ang sarap ng amoy. So ayan, napabili tayo ng footlong. Ang laki para lunch na rin kasi hanggang 12 yata to or 1. So para mag-lunch na rin yung mga bata. So malaki to. Ang kinuha ko is yung buffalo chicken. Ayan. Ha? You wanna eat now? Are you hungry? Ayan, gutom na si Sak. Si Holly, ayan, nagpa-popcorn. Holly! Baba, are you eating popcorn, Baba? And apple? Apple! Si Holly, nagpababay rin siya. Nagbababay rin si Holly. Thelma? Yeah. Yeah. Say hi, guys.
Where do you want me to go?
What happened? Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. What do you want for apple? High five? Gusto niya makipag-high five doon sa apple. Oh, this is the lollies bag. Yeah, look. Lots of lollies.
Oh, that's supposed to be a stocking. See? The, like a food packing.
Say hi, Santa. Look.
Mom, we have that stuff.
Yeah. happy? Are you happy, Holly? Zach, are you happy? Tapos na yung parade and dito kayo sa Kmart. Pagkatapos ng parade, pumunta muna kayo ng Target kasi doon naka-park yung car namin. So may binili kaming, ano we bought in Target, Kuya? Your book?
Yeah, book.
Yeah, books ni Kuya tsaka ng mga bata para sa Christmas.
Holy too.
Yeah, and book for Holly. So ngayon dito kami sa Kmart kasi may hinahanap ako. Yeah. May hinahanap lang ako dito and then mag-grocery kami after. Yes? What's that? Oh, the shark.
Yeah, that's for vlog.
Yeah, but it's not winter now, love.
Yeah, when it's winter,
Yep.
can we get one?
Yeah, when it's winter.
Trolley.
Okay, no, we're not gonna buy now. Come on. Nasabi si Kuya. What did you say?
I put a rice and hot dogs for my lunch at school.
Gusto niya magbaon ng rice tsaka hotdog. That's too big. I think this one, Kuya. But you make sure you don't drop it because this is a glass. Pero maghanap muna tayo. Wait. Gusto ni Kuya magbaon ng rice sa school. Ha? Yeah. Kain sa Coles. Ayan si Kuya kumukuha ng
I like this with
beans.
this big.
No, with the pork. Yeah. Okay, I think that's enough, Kuya. Okay.
Okay, done.
What?
We did fritz.
Yes.
Yay, didn't that fit, Tully? But we have to cut them from now on.
Yeah.
Let's cut them while I go to school.
Yeah.
Cut them while I go to school. Yeah, I already got some.
Just get two.
Let's get three.
Did you check?
Yes, Mom.
You didn't check. Put it back. You didn't check. Okay.
Do you have to have them on? What? Say yes.
That's the barcode, Kuya. Okay, just two. Come on. Guys, habang kumukuha si Kuya ng strawberry, etong isa, dumingwit ng grapes. Ayan guys, oh, dumingwit siya, oh. Magnanakaw.
This one?
Let me see. Okay, that's good.
This is pretty big.
Yan. Libreng pa frites. That's too big, Papa. Is it masarap, Kuya?
Mom?
Ha? Is it masarap?
Can we get two?
Just one. Can you get garlic for me, please?
Is this for fried rice?
Yes.
How many?
Just one.
Another one. This is a 12.
Which one?
A 12.
This one?
Yeah. Mom, what is it these? What does it say? Yo, 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 yo.
What do you want, Kuya?
That's not yo-yo. What's this? What's this? Two?
Just one.
Mom, these are my favorites.
Okay.
Mom, I like these. Maybe y'all like give us this?
Yes.
How many we supposed to always have?
I think. Yeah.
No, remember we keep having 3?
Yes. Okay, watch the lady. Come on.
Mom, can we have this when I get home?
Yeah.
Mom, can we get one more?
No, that's it. No, that's enough.
Top.
No, that's enough.
Wait, I want that. Mom, I want that.
You're about to get it. Okay, let's go.
Oh, Mom, is it hot?
Yeah.
Out of control. Dad, are we having chicken for tea?
Yeah. Here, Baba, here.
Okay, pick one of 8. Oh, Mom, bounties. Daddy.
Yeah, one.
But I already got one. You want get chicken wings?
Chicken.
Mom, can we get chicken wings? I want the cider. Can we get 2?
Just one for now.
I joking. Yeah, you're a joke. Why you always saying I'm joking? I'm joking. Mom, here we are. I didn't see you.
This one, Kuya.
Oh, just get blue. Amy.
This one, Kuya.
Yes, blue.
Huh?
Yeah. Green and blue? Choose what you want. Sorry. That was a joke. Hey, guys. Did you see that? Shut. Mr. X. Oh, we got black rock. I like that. You have to take all your money away. Yeah, you... I'll be careful now.
Be careful with that one, Bob. Huh?
I will open
Is that Baba? Yeah, okay, we're done now. Let's go. Okay, be careful. Zach, careful. We're done, guys. Ay, magbabayad na kami.
I want the cheese.
Yan, dito naman tayo guys sa Baker's Delight para kumuha tayo ng bread. So, ayan. Malapit lang. So, ayan guys, nabili na namin yung bread. And, yes.
We forgot to get the Asian store hot dog.
Oh, maybe next time na kuya because it's, ano na.
So
Anong oras na ba? 4:30 na yata. No, 3:48 na guys. Yeah, it's late na kuya. we have to go home now. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's vlog. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Bye! Si Holly tulog na, guys. Pagod na siya. Umalis kami ng bahay mga 9:30.
When you're bored,
Yeah?
you have to turn it off.
What?
When you say bored, you have to turn it off if you say bored.
Na-lecturean tayo ng matanda sa likod yan. Okay, guys. Bye na, guys. Bye!